Good morning, everyone. It is 8:30 on Thursday, June 30th, and it's time for our morning briefing. Soon outside of the region this morning, updated numbers from the unaccompanied children as of Monday. We do have to do declaration requests for Oklahoma, as you see on the screen there. I have updated the numbers of the ongoing damage assessments as well. And we have no fire management grant requests to talk about this morning. And now as we switch over to the geo platform today, got some rain out there. Brian's going to tell us all about that in just a moment. No changes at the national level. Both are at level 4 steady state, as is the region. All of our state EOCs continue at level 4 steady state. Louisiana does have the crisis action team on standby if they need them. Looking at our management teams this morning, Texas remains deployed, number 1 remains deployed to Texas, and team 2 is green and available if we need them. We still have 1 shelter in Texas. Last known number was 64 occupants there. Looking at power outages this morning, Arkansas is 400, down from 4,400 in the last 24 hours. Louisiana also 400, down from 8,500. New Mexico 5, down from 700. Oklahoma 20, down from 3,300. And Texas wins the prize this morning with 3,000, down from 9,100. Also, the Arkansas JFO for 4270 is scheduled to close tomorrow, July the 1st. And now we'll turn it over to Brian to tell us all about the weather.
Okay, good morning, everybody. Similar to yesterday, we had some thunderstorms that developed overnight and worked their way down into the Texas Panhandle. They're starting to diminish in activity, and that'll be out of there in a couple hours. As far as hazards today, just some isolated activity later today and overnight again over northern Oklahoma. Could see some damaging winds and locally heavy rain, but nothing really to write home about other than that. Taking a look at the rivers, we're still continuing to slowly improve and just have that one spot still down Liberty at the Trinity River that's in moderate and expected to continue there. You can see the 5-day rainfall forecast. Little to no rainfall over that area, so that's good news there. And those 2 points in Oklahoma, that's bad data there, just for your information. They're fine. No issues up there. Tropics are quiet and expected to remain that way over the next 5 days. Taking a look at the next 5 days, we do have just some isolated severe weather chances the next 3 days over northern portions of the region. And then we have some heat, some excessive heat, some heat indices of 105 to 110 over southern portions of the region starting tomorrow and through the weekend and into the holiday on Monday. Taking a look at today, just some isolated severe storms primarily over northern Oklahoma, sneaking into the Texas Panhandle. Again, that's just primarily damaging winds and hail. Could be some locally heavy rainfall there, but very isolated in nature. Not a whole lot of impacts other than that for today. For tomorrow, much of the same as far as the severe weather is concerned, same general area, and then as I mentioned, the heat indices really start to crank up over south and southeast Texas and into southern Louisiana, 105 to 110 there, so rather toasty. For Saturday, almost a carbon copy. Heat indices are again going to be very toasty down in the south. And severe weather, again, isolated in nature over northern portions of the region. Slightly different area, northeast New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle in full are in play on Saturday, but again, real isolated in nature there. The drought monitor was updated today, and we're actually starting to see some drought redevelopment in Oklahoma. So actually, any rain they get over the next few days is going to be welcome over there, and same with Arkansas for that matter, starting to get some abnormally dry conditions there. New Mexico is about the only area where we do have some drought and really no major concerns there, though. Space weather is starting to crank up over the next few days, and we're forecasting a minor geomagnetic storm on Saturday, but really should be no impacts to the region. And with that, I will conclude the briefing unless there's any questions.
Thank you, Fred. Appreciate that. If you have any questions, you know what to do. And here's what's going on around the region today. And there goes Yogi with a picnic basket. And today is National Meteor Watch today. And National Handshake. The trivia question for today, studies indicate that, other things being equal, the severity of heat disorders tends to increase with what? So nobody's going to be fooled by that one, huh? Yeah. Any questions? For all those going out to the picnic today, stay hydrated. No caffeinated drinks. Take lots of breaks, limited activity as much as you can. All right, Steve, be careful there. Any questions this morning? All right, everyone, have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.